Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1991 Mitsubishi Pajero. It's a two-door one. This casting is by Matchbox. As you can see, it's part of their moving parts and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Pajero out of its box, and it's a two-door one, short wheelbase, not the longer one. But it does look good, especially with the paint and the dual color theme. Dual paint theme looks really good. It was very 90s, where you had cladding in a different color and body in a different color. Let's start from the front. So up front you got nice details. You got detailed headlamp, you got the grille, black dot grille, Mitsubishi badge in the middle, turn indicators on the side, base have like thick bull bar with auxiliary lamps and a place to mount your number plate. Also, it kind of looks like it has got a small skid plate. Again, as I said, it's a dual tone finish, so you got the bumpers and cladding finish in light white or creamish kind of shade. Body is in obviously in blue. Also got both the windshield wipers, rear view mirrors, and auxiliary ramps on the top. It do look good, which is like very characteristics of that time. You would see cars with stuff like this. Coming to the it was the passenger side, my bad. It's a Japanese car, so driver's is. Let's start from the passenger side anyways. So the doors open. I've opened the door on the driver's side. We'll show you that. But yeah, if you see at the cladding, it continues same, from the start to front, the same plastic, like slightly flared wheel arches because it's a SUV, so bigger wheels. But it's, if you see at most of the SUVs from 90s and even early 2000, they had this kind of theme, like they had big plastic claddings, different color. If you got like a lower trim, it was molded black, so it was like not painted. Like if you go for higher trims, they were painted in different colors. So yeah, nice. Wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox SUVs, and they do look good on any SUV, the way they are designed. A very neutral design. It's a two-door, as you can see there's a big window in the back. It does have 4 seats though, you can see from here. Got the fuel filler on the passenger side, and I think this is for the turn indicator. Yeah, good details. Coming to the back, again the back is nicely detailed. You got detailed tail lamp. You've got this number placeholder where its number plate says 40560. You got Pajero, Mitsubishi written there. Also got the windshield wiper in the back. Do have spare wheel. I would have loved it if it was finished in black, but if you can detail it, it will look even better. Same plastic cladding running through the rear too. Coming to the driver's side, almost identical. Only difference, no fuel filler cap on this side. And yeah, this is how the door opens, and if you look inside, you can see there is like trim pieces there too. And the interior is finished in same color as the cladding. Also got the sunroof. I don't think these sunroofs really like slid back, they just opened up to let the air in kind of thing. And it's not like modern sunroof with which they slides into your roof head. Yes, this is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the bottom. And I think it looks really nice. It's got some great details on it. And even if you want, you can add more details and make it look even better. Should you get one? If you like Japanese SUVs, yes, this will go really good for old Land Cruisers and other, even the Pajero Evo from Hot Wheels. It will go really good with that too. Yeah, and if you can run Jimny and all that stuff, it looks nice. Well, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.